Now we are going to start case study question number 12, and this question is from biology. Okay, life process. How the organisms reproduce. So the context is like that. The reproduction is a process by which living organisms are able to produce young ones of their new kind. The living organism reproduce by two ways: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves the production of an offspring from a single parent without the fusion of gametes. This mostly occur in unicellular organisms, some plants, and certain multicellular organisms. There are various types of asexual reproduction. Okay, so see the diagram. Uh, and based on this diagram, one question is that this is which type of reproduction? The type of reproduction shown in the figure is which one? Budding, fragmentation, regeneration, or fission?
Regeneration.
Regeneration. Very good. Because regeneration is the process in which small cut parts of body organisms grow to form whole new organisms. थोड़ा से कट हो जाता है, फिर वो धीरे धीरे पूरा फुल organisms पे ग्रो करता है. ठीक है. So regeneration is the process by which small cut parts of body organism grow to form whole new organisms. Now the second question, which of the following is correct example of the process shown in the given figure? Hydra, planaria, amoeba, both A and B.
Both A and B.
Right. The correct answer is both A and B. Simple animals like Hydra and planaria can be cut into any number of pieces, and then each piece grows into a complete new organisms by regeneration. Okay, so now we'll move towards the next question. A feature of reproduction that is common to amoeba, yeast, and bacteria is that number one, they are all unicellular, they are all multicellular, they will reproduce only sexually, they reproduce asexually.
They are all unicellular.
Again, think.
They all are multicellular.
All are unicellular.
See, this option is not correct, okay? But this option is correct for all. Reproduction is a process of reproducing young ones. It can be asexual or sexual.
Yes, sir.
एक बार इसको वो चैप्टर में से पढ़ लेना इसको एक बार. So the correct option is they reproduce asexually. This is common to both all the three. Now, sexual reproduction is first a fusion of specialized cells, a method by which all types of organisms reproduce, a method producing genetically identical offspring, a method in which more than one parent are involved. So the correct option here is a method producing genetically identical offspring. Because in asexual reproduction, the young one receives all its genes from one parent. So offspring produced are genetically identical to the parents. Okay, so this is the explanation for this. Now we'll move towards the last question. From the given list of organisms, those which reproduce by the asexual method are: first, Aspergillus, dog, papaya, paramecium. See, ये तो नहीं
First
होगा,
and fourth.
ये भी नहीं होगा. Yes, correct answer. First and fourth, because they reproduce by spore formation and fission respectively. Aspergillus by spore formation and paramecium by fission. And all these are methods of asexual reproduction, right? And dog and papaya reproduce through sexual methods, right? So this is the last question of this case study question, and now we'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you very much.